Hey guys, I'm Stephanie. Welcome to my channel. First of all, thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. That is amazing. So today I'm walking down to the park. I'm gonna do like a leg HIIT workout, and I brought my booty band with me. I'm gonna use it. You don't need one. You can use any band that you have. I use the Gains and Bulk one. I do have a link for it if you wanna buy this one and support me. I'll link it down in the description box. Also, you can use any band you have, or like I said, without a band. So let's get this workout started. Hopefully there's not too many people at the park, and yeah, see you there. There's no one here, so that's great. All right, so I'm gonna do this workout with you. I'm gonna film the entire thing of me doing the whole workout, so feel free to follow along.
Street alone. Her head was down, face locked onto the phone. And I wished I'd had a number so I could be color unknown. And then I tell her to look into my eyes and never let it go.
with a slow motion crew. And we up in our growlings when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding.
Alright guys, that was my leg HIIT workout. No equipment required except for like an elevated system like a bench. Although not necessarily, you could just do jumping squats. However, the bench just elevates the workout, makes you work out a little bit harder. I'm so out of breath right now, that was killer. And then obviously I use the band for the side steps. Not necessary, but if you want to just enhance that workout, then make sure to add any kind of booty band. And yeah, I hope you guys give this a try. This was an awesome workout. I feel really good right now. Have an awesome day, you guys. Bye.